Well, what a crazy day in crypto. We've got a Bitcoin flash crash happening right now, or a quick pullback in the overall market. But in this video, we're going to break down why this is to be expected, what exactly happened, and why you should not be panicking right now after Bitcoin previously today set an all-time high, and why this makes a lot of sense. So make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. Go ahead and hit the like button for us on your way in, and shout out to anybody new on the channel. A lot of new folks climbing their way into crypto, or maybe back in their way, what am I trying to say? Climbing their way back into crypto. There we go. No matter what, glad to have you here, and hopefully you subscribe if you haven't already. So Bitcoin, as we mentioned, it's been a crazy, crazy day already, and the day's not even over. Of course, earlier today, Bitcoin flew up the charts and went to a new all-time high. And we could see it right here. Bitcoin got up to $69,170 from the all-time high 5 hours ago. We are about 11% off of that. Very quickly, we dropped all the way back down to 62,200. And some may say, if they're brand new to crypto, oh my gosh, the sky's falling. What's going on? Everybody sell your Bitcoin. It's down $7,000. But in reality, if you've been here and been around the block, you know that this is just another day in crypto. 10 to 11 to 12 to 13, even 15% swings one way or another. Just standard procedure here. But with Bitcoin, we did get the momentum down indicator on our XT algo. So if you guys are not yet signed up with a trading indicator with a software like this, highly encourage you guys to check it out. If you don't want to purchase mine, just don't buy Austin Hilton's because mine's better. Buy somebody else's, okay? But preferably this one, XT Algo. And of course, I'm kidding. Austin's got X1 Algo. It's the same product, but this one is pretty solid. So you guys can see here, if you guys were in a trade earlier today, this indicator right here would have told you to get out at 65,000. Now you're sitting at $62,000. You could have saved yourself from 6% more down to the downside here if you're trading Bitcoin, or if it hit your profit-taking plan, whatever it is. So this thing can help you by getting out. It can also help you by getting in at better entry points and exit points at better times, basically, in the market. XT Algo, we got a big discount code running for you guys right now. And I know this feels like, oh my gosh, this looks insane. This looks terrible, Zach. But when in doubt, we got to zoom out a little bit. All right, so let's go back into the 1 day. As you guys can see, when we go to the 1 day, we're basically back down where we started the day yesterday. It's not that big of a deal. Now, even crazier, go to the 1 week. Go to the 1 week, and basically we're now flat on the week from last week. This is a necessary pullback, guys. It is a necessary thing that has to happen in crypto. You cannot go up as fast as we did without some type of pullback. Now, there are some other things happening. CoinDesk just put out an article. This is very crucial. Stick with me here because this is pretty interesting, definitely here in terms of what happened here. So it says flash crashes, which kind of what we're experiencing, are typically attributed to a lack of liquidity, or what they call a fat finger trade. Now, Bitcoin lost 23% of its value against the euro on Coinbase Tuesday during the period of high volatility that allowed the crypto surging to a record US dollar high of 69,000 plus. BTC momentarily plunged to 48,000, this is euros, 529 from 60,000 euros on Coinbase, while on Kraken, for instance, the price only went as low as euro 58,400. The reason for this flash crash remains unclear, and it took 10 minutes for the price to rebound back to parity with other exchanges. Now, a lot of times it's big time volume that causes these flash crashes. It says here they can typically be attributed to a few scenarios, one of which is a lack of liquidity. The amount of market sell orders was too high for the amount of resting buy orders on the order book. I really think this happened because a lot of people probably had their limit orders set to when Bitcoin set an all-time high, sell, take profits. And then the price thus needs to sink to the nearest point of adequate buys, which obviously was a little bit further down the line. Another reason as seen during a flash crash on Binance.us back in 2021 is a bug or a mistake made by a trader or an algorithm, often called a fat finger trade. We don't know exactly if that happened here, but I think it was more about this. The amount of sell orders were just too high for the amount of resting buy orders on the order book at this point. Think about it. Nobody expected us to get to these levels this quick. A lot of people had their profit taking set right when we got to a new all-time high. I think that's what happened here. People quickly, it was all automated, right? People automatically took all their profits, and there was nobody to buy Bitcoin at those levels because obviously, especially on the decentralized exchange side like Coinbase, Kraken, we have so much volume right now coming in by way of the ETFs. So that's what I think happened here with this flash crash this afternoon. But guys, keep in mind, everything is down. I mean, it's affecting everything. Obviously, as Bitcoin goes, so goes the entire market. SHIB is down a little bit after, absolutely sending the last week or so. We're down about another 19% there on SHIB. Makes sense. I mean, these pullbacks, again, are necessary. We can take a look across the crypto landscape here. Bitcoin's down 7%. Ethereum's down 4%. BNB 9%. XRP 13%. Keep an eye on XRP. You get down close to 50 cents. We usually get some buying pressure that tends to come in there. Cardano, big time dip there, back down to 65 cents. Not panicking here at all, though, by the way, guys, because I've got a plan with all of these. None of these were reaching my take profit plan anyway. So, hey, it's just an opportunity to accumulate some of these that I really like. If we kind of sort by the ones that have sold off the hardest, Gala's down back below 4 cents. Okay. This one here, the graph is down back to 26 cents. Keep in mind, Stacks down to 257. I like these price tags. Cardano even at 65. Excuse me. Singularity Net at 75 cents. Say, how about this one, guys? Say continues to dip down to 69 cents right now. That to me is a very interesting buy. Again, this is not the time to panic. It's time to take full advantage of this dip. If you believe that this crypto market is just beginning, if you believe that we are going to go much higher 12 to 15 months from now, if you believe that history will repeat itself after the Bitcoin halving, we see the biggest gains. I tend to believe all of that, and that is why I'm looking at this as one big opportunity and not a time to freak out and say, oh my gosh, the sky is falling. What should I do? Why is everything falling? Oh my gosh, what's going on? If you're feeling like that, you might not have a plan in place yet. So make sure you do that. I know I might sound like a broken record to some of you out there. I've been saying this a ton in videos and live streams, but I know every video and live stream we do, there are new people coming in and out. So I want to keep reiterating this message because, again, this was the number one mistake that I made back in 2021. Did not have a plan with every asset I got into. I thought, you know what? I'll just figure it out. I'll get in now and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It's not how this game is played. And you then are just basically letting your emotions dictate all your decisions. Take the emotions out of it. Have a plan. You still have time to do it. You're not late. You're not late. We're just beginning. We're about 25, 30% into this bull run. There's still a lot of time left. Caspa, by the way, down 14 cents right now. Just tremendous opportunities out there. So find your best bets. Everything is dipping right now, and take full advantage. Take full advantage of this crypto flash crash here. And obviously, things can change in a hurry in crypto too. I mean, wouldn't be surprised at all if we get a reversal by the end of the day and we start to rebound. Seriously, anything can happen in these markets. So appreciate you guys for watching the video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me on all the live streams lately. It's been phenomenal. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Hit the notification bell. And again, check out XT Algo. If you're looking to level up your trading game, gives you simple visual indicators to make your trading easier and simple. Whether you're taking profits or getting in at the right time, XT Algo can help you make better decisions in crypto. Appreciate you guys again. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.